Hello students, once again welcome in Standard 9 Mathematics Chapter 1 Number System. In this lecture we will see the last portion of this chapter is Laws of Exponents. Laws of Exponents actually you have seen in earlier classes. Here also the same are there. So they are when a greater than 0 means the positive number a should be, and p and q are any integers, it may be positive or negative, but a must be positive. Then we have some laws of exponents as like one number a raised to p into a raised to q. A and a are base, p and q are called exponents. Base are same, exponents are different, and they are in multiplier. So what is the rule? A raised to, the exponents are added. A raised to p into a raised to q equals to a raised to p plus q. Remember that you might have done so many examples like when you were writing x raised to 2 into x raised to 3. What you do? X raised to 2 and 3, 5 you do. This is the same rule here we have. X equal to a, p equal to 2, q equal to 3. Then we multiply and the bases are same, then powers are added. This is the rule, right? A raised to p into a raised to q equals to a raised to p plus q. Second rule, a raised to p whole raised to q. Powers of power. A is base, its power is p, and the whole power is q. Then power of power will be multiplied. P into q. This is also x raised to 2 whole raised to 3. If we have, we do x raised to 2 3 is 6. This way we will do here. This is the rule here. Second number, exponent law. Then division, a raised to p upon a raised to q. If we have, what we do? A raised to p minus q. In multiplying, if bases are same, powers are added. In division, if bases are same, powers are subtracted. This way. And here, fourth law, a raised to p into b raised to p. Powers are same, bases are different, and they are in multiplier. So power can be taken as common here. A into b whole raised to p. These are the laws of exponents. 4 laws. Based on that, some examples we will do here. Example 21 in our textbook we have. So in that, what we have? The first number as 2 into 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 3. This is the same as the first law given. Bases are same, powers are different. What we have to do? The base 2 as common and power should be added. A raised to b plus q, so 2 raised to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So 2 raised to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3, in that 3 is LCM. 2 will be 2, 1 will be 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 upon 3 will be cancelled. So 1. So 2 raised to 1 we have, 2 raised to 1 means 2. The rule number 1, law number 1 is used. So here I have written by our first law, it is solved. Then second number is 3 raised to 1 upon 5 whole raised to 4. This is the second law according some base raised to power and whole raised to some power, exponent. So what we have to do? Both the power should be multiplied. Here we have multiplied. See, 3 raised to 1 upon 5 whole raised to 4 is 3 raised to 1 upon 5 into 4. Both exponents will be multiplied. So it will be 4 upon 4 into 1, 4 upon 5. So 3 raised to 4 upon 5. This is the answer. Here it is answered by the second law. Third law here used in third number, a raised to something, a raised to something, a raised to p minus q in the division. So similar way, 7 raised to 1 upon 5 upon 7 raised to 1 upon 3. What you have to do? 7 raised to p minus q means 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3. So 7 as it is, 5 and 3 LCM 15. Here it will be 3 ones are 3 minus here it will be 5 ones are 5. So 7 as it is, 15 down as it is, 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So 7 raised to minus 2 upon 15 is our answer by law number 3. Fourth number, 13 raised to 1 upon 5 into 17 raised to 1 upon 5. A and B are different but powers are same, like in fourth number law. A and B are different, powers are same. So multiply A and B and common power will be common. So 13 into 7 multiplied and 1 upon 5 have 221 and the power as it is 1/5. This is our answer. So very simply, using the laws of components, this type of expressions can be simplified. We have done an example related to this exercise 1.6 we have in our textbook. So one by one, that also we have solved here. You understand? In question number 1, find 64 raised to 1 by 2 is value. So as we know, 64 can be written as 8 square. 8 square means 8 into 8. 64. 8 8s are 64. So in place of 64, I can write 8 square, and the power is 1 by 2 as it is. Now this expression is like power of power type. So power of power multiply 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. Power of power multiply. So 2 into 1/2 means 2 up and 2 down cancel. 8 raised to 1 we will have. So 8 raised to 1 is 8 answer. This is our answer. Similarly, second number 32 raised to 1 by 5. 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5 because 2 raised to 5 means 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 times we have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 35. 5 times 2, 2, 2, 2 multiply, we get 32. So 2 raised to 5 shows 32. So in place of 32 we can write 2 raised to 5 and 1/5 power is as it is. Again the same rule, power of power multiplied. 2 raised to power of power, 5 into 1/5 we can write. So 5 up and down cancel. 2 raised to 1 remaining is 2 answer. Similar with third one, 125 whole raised to 1/3. In place of 125 we can write 5 raised to 3 because 5 raised to 3 means 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125. So 5 raised to 3 and the power 1/3 as it is. Again power of power rule, 5 as it is, 3 into 1/3, 3 3 up and down cancel, 5 raised to 1 remaining and that means 5. Question number 2 is similar. 9 raised to 3 by 2. Again 9 can be written as 3 square. 3 square is 9, 3 to the 9 and 3 by 2 as it is. Power of power again, so 3 raised to power of power multiply form 2 into 3 by 2. In 2 into 3 by 2, 2 2 cancel. What we have? 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 means 3 multiply 3 times 3 3s are 9, these are 27. So this is 27. In second number 32 whole raised to 2 by 5. 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 35. So 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5 and 2/5 power is as it is. Again power of power multiplied log. So 2 raised to 5 into 2/5. Here 5 5 cancel. What is remaining? 2's power 2. 2 having power 2. 2 power 2 is 2 to the 4. 4 is the answer. Third number 16 raised to 3 by 4. 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. Again this is power of power rule. 2 raised to power into 3, 4 into 3 by 4. Power of power multiplied form written. 4 up and down cancel. 2 raised to 3 remaining. 2 raised to 3 means 2 to the 4 to the 8. This is the answer. Fourth number of second is 125 whole raised to minus 1 by 3. 125 can be written as 5 raised to 3 and power minus 1 by 3 as it is. This is again power of power. The rule second number here, power of power multiply both the powers. 5 as it is the base. 3 into minus 1 by 3. Up and down 3 3 cancel. 5 raised to minus 1. And 5 raised to minus 1 can also be written as 1/5. This is also the answer. You can keep this way also. And in simple form 1/5 also we can write. Question number 3 then simplify 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. This is the same as the fourth law. First law. A same. Powers are different. Multiply. So power will be added. First law. 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 3. So 2 raised to p plus into 2 raised to q. So 2 raised to p plus q. Addition. First law. So 2/3 plus 1/5. 2 raised to as it is 5 and 3 LCM 15. This 5 2s are 10 and here 3 1s are 3. So up 2 raised to it will be 10 plus 3 13 and upon 15. So whole answer is, finally the answer is 2 raised to 13 by 15. Then second number 1 upon 3 raised to 3 whole raised to 7. This is the whole power can be separated up and down, numerator and denominator. This power 7 is for 1 also, and the power 7 is for this denominator also. So I have separated it 1 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 3 whole raised to 7. As in previously the laws of the identities we have seen. The whole power 7 is for numerator and denominator both. So both we have divided. Now 1 raised to 7 is 1 only, because when you multiply many times will be 1 only. And down there, this is 3 raised to 3 and whole raised to 7. Power of power, exponent of exponent will be multiplied by this rule, p a raised to p whole raised to q. That means a raised to p into q. By this rule, 3 raised to power of power multiplied 3 into 7. So 1 is as 1, and down there 3 raised to 3 7 are 21. And this 3 raised to 21 down there, if you want to take it up, the sign of power will be, exponent will be, it is plus, so it will be minus. If it is minus down, we can take it up by doing it plus. Sign change of exponent will be done. So 1 upon 3 raised to 21 can also be written as 3 raised to minus 21. This is the answer. Now third number, 11 raised to 1 by 2 upon 11 raised to 1 by 4. This is same as the third law. A raised to p upon a raised to q is equal to a raised to p minus q. Similar way, in case of a11, p is 1 by 2, q is 1 by 4. So 11 raised to p minus q is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Power should be subtracted because it is division. So 11 raised to 4 and 2 subtraction, LCM will be 4 and 2 of LCM 4. You get here 4, 2 multiply 2 ones are 2, minus here is 4, so 1 will be 1 as it is, equals to 11 raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 and 4 is as it is. So the answer is 11 raised to 1 by 4 finally. The last and final question is 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. It is same as the fourth one. A and B are different but powers are same. 7 and 8 are different but powers are 1 by 2 same. What we have to do? A into B whole raised to common power. 7 into 8 whole raised to common power 1 by 2. It will be 7 8s are 56 and 1 by 2 as it is. So this way, exercise 1.6 is also over, and this way the chapter is also over. And you are advised to see all the videos again and again until you are not being confident. If you will see again and again, you will be more and more confident and you will understand the whole chapter completely, and you can give any answer if it is asked in the exam. Any question it is given to you, you can solve it, you can answer it. So you are advisable to complete it all, not only one time. If you are having 2 times, 3 times, you solve it and practice well for the chapter 1 number system. It is over in this lecture 15, and remaining things somewhat that was given in a homework, you are advisable to complete yourself. And if you are not getting the related videos you see again and again 2 or 3 times, you will definitely get your queries solved, and then you can solve it for the remaining ones also. This way the chapter is ended and you are advised to practice it well.